Hello Zimbabweans, welcome back to Maths Vibe channel, A-level pure mathematics with Say John. Today guys, we're moving on to coded geometry, which is the shortest topic, the simplest topic as well. So coded geometry, chakanya kosha kuziva kutsvaka gradient, kutsvaka midpoint, kutsvaka distance between 2 points, kutsvaka equation of a straight line, zvakanyanya kosha izvo kana tiri kucoded geometry. So tatanga negradient and midpoint zvotsvakwa sei first. Saka tanga midpoint first. So given A and B, these are points like a straight line, rinenge rine point A and point B. Once you find the midpoint, it means you take a point apa. Do wanna say point ipapo? We just say x2 plus x1 over 2 coordinate kutanga, then coordinate h2 inenge y2 plus y1 over 2, right? So example, find the midpoint of AC. Saka we given a line AC now. Panapa find C panapa. Then my coordinates do akapiwa, right? So to say just say x1 plus x2. So 8. Now this is x1 minus 2 plus 8, which is 6 over 2. Then next, for now y, that would be 5 plus minus 1 over 2. So 5 plus minus 1, better 5 minus 1, which is 4 over 2. So this is the midpoint, 3 and 2. Now, saka pana panning by pana 3 and 2. Lopakadipa A na C, given this coordinate. So and have a gradient. I would find the gradient, right? So gradient AB, given we have line AB, line A and B. Gradient is slopeness of the line. And so we can have a gradient which is positive and a gradient which is negative. So I'm going to say gradient redu positive, which means the line anomira so you are gradient are positive. These lines. Then gradient can be negative. Negative line anomira ajislanda aka so no caves, no line anima gradient are negative, right? So yes line anoslope aka so and my positive gradients, and the SML line and miracle so and my negative gradients, right? So upon find the gradient between 2 points, let's say A and B. So when I got x1 and y1 and my coordinates I and x2 and y2, my coordinates are B. You just say m in the middle gradient. Mighty y is equal to m x plus c. So m is the gradient. So m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? So given this is x1, this is y1, this is y2, and this is y1, right? So this is y2. So y2 minus y1, so find out minus 4 minus 3 over 7 minus 8, which is minus 7 over minus 1, which is 7. Kana could unogona kuita the other way yekuti unokwasa kutanga nekuno kuchida zvangofana na futi kuti for example m is equal to x1 kuti y1 minus y2, but kana watanga nekuti y1 minus y2 pa denominator unofana kuita unoti x1 minus x2 zvangofanana. So kada the other way yacho pazoti 3 minus minus 4 ukatanga nekuno 3 minus minus 4 minus ari pa formula then minus better plus then over 8 minus 7 over 3 over 1, which is 7 zvakangofanana futi. So any method yaungoita zvinongoita. Saka kana wana gradient rako riri 7, which means line rako rine slope yakadai so, because gradient rinoda the slopeness simple, right? So distance between 2 points, given a x my coordinates then d for distance. Now distance the modulus of a b and the length between a and b. So I'll just say x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, then you square under the square root. No distance between 2 points. So example, find the distance between 2 points. I want to look at first because when you are showing makazita which is O level. So A level no damage our revision because when you put money relax. So panapa it's 4 minus 1 squared plus 7 minus 3 squared. So 4 minus 1 is 3 squared plus 4 squared. 4 squared is 16 plus 3 squared 9. So 16 plus 9 is 25. Root 25 is equal to 5. So the distance between this point and this point is 5. For example, when you have a line, so then get the point 1 and 3. then ne point imwe 4 na 7 ubva wanzi find distance between A and B. Saka distance ya A na B kunati kubva panapa kusvika panapa pakareba 5 I mean 5 units 5 centimeters 5 meters 5 kilometers I mean but though the distance between AB and our modulus AB, that's how we find the distance between 2 points, right? Next, right, equation of a straight line. All straight lines have equations which can be written in the form y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the gradient and c is the point where line cut the y-axis, or c is the y-intercept, where c is the y-intercept. Then suppose a straight line passes through the point x1, y1, and x and y, and has gradient m. The equation is given by this. Just say y minus y minus y1 is equals to gradient m open bracket x minus x1. Right? Izvi zvingori zvinhu zvakangobva pakuti apa tangoequata gradient negradient. Isu tinozati gradient rinonzi m. Iti tadzidza paya kuti gradient reline rinoitsvaka sei. Gradient reline iyi unotsvaka uchisubtract mavalues awo. Unongoti y minus y1 over x minus x1, which is gross gradient, which is equals to m. Apa ndo zvamaita vamwe muchitsvaka gradient, muchitsvaka equation of a straight line. Right? Ndo pazvazodhidhiswa kubva apa kuuya apa. Saka this is the simplest method yekutsvaka equation of a straight line. Because pana pakazokuitwa cross multiplication, this ndobva tangoyawo. Ndobva yasaya iri y minus y1, which is equals to m open bracket x minus x1. Yeah, ndizvo izvi. Saka izvi zvamufanira. Saka kwada kutangira equation of a straight line pano apa uchatenderera because uchangodzoka futi still apa. Saka kugara watangira apa zvinhu zviri right. So y minus y1 is equals to m open bracket x minus x1. Apa taequata because iri gradient. Saka hazviite zvakasiyana. Magradient anofanira kunge yakaenzana. Ndo zvakazotitsitsa apa. Saka ini ndinokurudzira kuti mushandise this kutsvaka equation of a straight line. But kuti uchandise this method unofanira kuchiziva gradient and unofanira kuchiziva at least one point. Unofanira kuchiziva point y1 and x1. Then I am a values anosara aripo paequation ana basa. Then x1 and y1 unofanira kuchiziva one point and gradient okutotsvaka equation. For example, given tine point ina 2 na 1 ndo point yatinayo. Our line passes through this point and the gradient m is equals to 4. Now we know the gradient and you know one point. Kwangoziva point 1 the gradient okutotsvaka equation. Saka equation redu rinenge riri y minus this point ndio ina x1 na y1. Saka y1 ndi 1 minus 1 which is equals to gradient 4 open bracket x minus x1 ndi 2. Right? So now y is equals to panapa kwa expand inobva 4x minus saka which is 4x panapa. Then we multiply panapa inobva minus 8. Minus 8 plus 1. Minus 8 plus 1 inobva minus 7. Right? So this is the equation of a straight line. Simple. Right? So imwe method yekutsvaka equation of a circle unofanira kuziva gradient and the y-intercept. Ukaziva gradient ukaziva y-intercept watoona gradient. Saka now watoona equation of a straight line. So unenge kutoziva kuti y is equals to mx plus c. So c ukamuziva m ukamuziva watowana equation. Saka y is equals to m ndi 4 x then plus c plus minus 7 is minus 7. Saka this is your equation of a straight line. Simple. Right? Parallel and perpendicular lines. Saka uchiuzive kuti malines 2 ari parallel ari perpendicular unotarisa gradient ndio unonyanya kutarirwa straight. So if two lines are parallel they have equal gradients, and if two lines are perpendicular the product of their gradient is minus 1. Ukamultiply gradient one line gradient another line ukamultiply fana kuwana minus 1. So kuti malines 2 are perpendicular. For example, line rakadai so nerimwe line rakadai so maline wawo ari perpendicular because pana panenge paine 90 degrees. Then line iri ari perpendicular because engo iripo pakati 90 degrees. So ndo patichira kuti kachiti perpendicular lines ndo malines are perpendicular. Right? So e.g. line AB has gradient of 2 over 5 and line CD has also the gradient of 2 over 5. It implies that line CD and line AB are parallel. So my lines are one equal gradients. Two lines are equal gradients. For example, line yakaslope association, line yakaslope association, and slope place yakafanana na lines iwayo, and gradient yakafanana, which means they are parallel. Sangani. Right? So if if AB is gradient 3 and line MN is gradient of minus 1 over 3, then AB and MN are perpendicular. Since minus 1 over 3 times 3 is equals to minus 1. Ukona gradient minus 1 over 3 remaining 3 uka terms up ukona minus 1, which means my lines 2 and my gradients they are perpendicular. Those nongoreva ndo kuti uzive kuti my lines are perpendicular, just multiply their gradients. Alright, saka in my case akawanda vanoya vakakupa gradient re one line. For example, vanokupa line rakadai so vokuti gradient apa m is equals to 4. Then vokuti find the gradient of the line perpendicular to the saka that line perpendicular kune rinenge rakadi rinenge richidai so rinenge richita right angle panapa ndizvere. Saka unofana kuziva kuti if you multiply 4 and gradient line rinoiri, let's say gradient line rinoiri x, if you multiply 4 by x you must get minus 1. So watopasa kuziva gradient rinoiri. Saka kutongoti 4 times x, 4x should be equal to minus 1. Saka x, which is gradient of this line, is equals to minus 1 over 4, right? Saka na ukapiwa gradient re one line, uida uchake gradient rimwe line re perpendicular, unongo multiply the unknown value, which means the gradient of the another line, to get minus 1. So you can make x up to the formula x is the gradient of another line perpendicular to this one. Simple. Right, example. A 03, B 47, C and C, which is 10 and 5, form a triangle ABC. L is the midpoint of AB and M is the midpoint of BC. Show that LM is parallel to AC, right? So guys, this is the question here. Show that LM is parallel to AC. You are free, guys, to pause the video. If you pause the video, try kuweka, then after wabulitsa answer, uzokombia ni answer chabulitsa panapa. Uti uone uti ukunzwisisa ere. Right? So let us say up. We have a triangle ABC. Right? Weke mono tikaweka to show us kuti LM is parallel to AC. Alright, example. Tiweka say, guys. So chekutanga unofana kutsvaka midpoint of A B, which is L panapa pana L panapa. Right? This is point L. Then after one midpoint utsvaka midpoint panapa ya C B, which is M. Right? So midpoint of AB, midpoint AB, which is L, midpoint L is equals to 0 plus 4 over 2 over 1, 3 plus 7 over 2, which is 2 and 5. This is midpoint L. So point panapa na L panapa na L pana 2 na 5. Then midpoint M, midpoint that say is 4 plus 10, which is 14 over 2, is 7. Then 7 plus 5, which is over 12 over 2, 6. Saka panapa 7 na 6. Don't get this out how to calculate to find the midpoint. Saka midpoint midpoint to show that this line and this line are parallel, which means are parallel. This is to show my lines 2 are parallel, right? So we need to find the gradient of AC. To talk a gradient of LM. To talk a gradient of LM, to find the gradient of AC, which means two lines are parallel. Or one find another gradient. So now, to talk a gradient of line LM, right? Gradient of line LM, just say 5 minus 6 over 2 minus 7, which is equals 1 over 5. LM, 5 minus 6 over 2 minus 7 over 1 over 5. Then the gradient of AC, gradient of this line that is the parallel is equals to 3 minus 5 over 0 minus 10. Those are the gradient now, which is minus 2 over minus 10, which is 1 over 5. Saka, ukaona gradient ra LM, rakaenzana gradient ra LC. Since the gradient of LM is equals to gradient of AC, therefore AC and LM are parallel. Saka idioka zakapuse. Saka last example for this topic called the geometry, guys. Right? Example. This is the last example. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line joining the points A and B, 6 and 5. Right? So tinoita sei kana kutsvaka the equation of the line of the perpendicular bisector. You are free to pause the video womboweka then woona kuti answer unowana yakafanana neyatinowana here, right? ndomasovhera taitaya. So chekutanga guys, tanzi titsvake the equation of the perpendicular bisector. This is A, this is B. Line AB ndo iri. We can find the gradient of AB, we can find the midpoint of AB, we can find the equation of AB. But chiri kudiwa panapo equation of the perpendicular bisector, the line which is bisecting AB, and the line bisector AB, the line pakati pa A na B, which means the bisector is up a right angle and distance from A to this, you have to find up to B. No, you know the perpendicular bisector, bisector kuafrani pakati. This way. So right now AB kutiwana equation the line iri tofana kuti tine 1 point inofola line iri. Saka kutiwana 1 point inofola line iri. This is zati kuti tichase this line iri kutsvaka point inofola line tofana kutsvaka pazvakasangana. So pazvakasangana ndo pa midpoint ya AB both the bisect. Saka midpoint ya AB tukwanisa kuiwana tadzidza kutsvaka midpoint paya. Saka midpoint of AB is equal to 4 na 1 mukatsvaka midpoint zvakanaka. Then tawana midpoint 1 point iri muline tainayo chasara kutsvaka gradient, but atikwanisi kungowana gradient line iri straight. Chekutanga kutsvaka gradient of line AB, and the gradient of line AB inototsvaka sezvizvi tobva taona chi 2 ndokungamba kuziva kutsvaka gradient of a line, right? Now gradient of AB tarawana m is equals to 2, but hatisi kuda gradient raAB, kuda gradient of this line which is x. Hatizivi gradient racho, x ndiyani first. Saka isi tikatoza tikamultiply x na 2 tinofanira kuwana -1 because these two lines are perpendicular because iri bisector saka pa 90 degrees. Saka tikati 2 times x is equals to -1. X is gradient of line, saka x is equals to -half. Saka takuti now x is equals to -1 over 2. Saka now gradient yakuziva and 1 point takuziva. Saka mu straight line ukaona wangwa ne 1 point yakuziva une gradient, you can find the equation. So now equation of the bisector, equation of the line now is equals to y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1, which is y minus x1. X1 is y minus y1, y1 d 1. So y minus 1 is equals to -half, open bracket, x minus x1, x1 d 4. Like this. Then you can expand y minus 1 is equals to -half x plus 2. Then minus 2 plus 1 d 3. So y is equals to -half x plus 3. Right? The equation of the perpendicular bisector. Saka I think per coordinate geometry, we are done up guys. Then next video ratichaita richange rine coordinate geometry ichasanganisira the equation of a circle. Tana tikazobatanidza pa video 1 zvingarembesa, but next video mudownload the next video rinenge rine coordinate geometry inoinvolve equation of a circle. Muritsvake video iroro. I think it's going to help you. Saka guys, thank you for watching guys. Ramai mchingoona ma videos edu, ramai mchisubscribe nekulike. Usaramba kuti ngoona ma videos every time. Chero kasenderwa neshare, chero katsenderwa nechi. Chingomeka short une musono mboenda pa YouTube, wosikombonodzionera wega, uchitombo watcha wega, uchitombo subscribe wega, uchilike. Zvakangonaka also, ngolike ma videos. Musakana kutibata pa WhatsApp 0783183381. Thank you guys for watching.